People often ask me when the best time is to invest in marketing. So that's what we're going to cover in this video today is when should you invest in marketing? Often people will come to me and they'll say, well, it's too busy right now. We just don't have the time to invest in marketing. Or they'll say, it's too slow right now. We don't have the budget. We don't want to invest in marketing. And they're always like saying, well, it's just not the right time right now. Or quite often business owners think that, right? But the truth of the matter is most businesses fail. Most businesses go out of business, and one of the number one reasons they go out of business is they haven't figured out their marketing. They can't turn on and off like the lead flow when they need to, so that when times are slow, they can turn up the marketing and make more money. And so marketing really is a marathon, not a sprint. And you want to be thinking about it's something that you're doing all the time. You're working on it all the time. So there really is no best time to invest in marketing. If you're busy, then great. You have the extra money to delegate it to a marketing professional or an agency to do it for you. And if it's slow, you have the time to maybe do some of it yourself, or you do the low cost forms of marketing like emailing, texting, cold calling, posting on social media. There's always things that you can do to market regardless of your budget. So there really is no perfect time to invest in marketing. The best time really is just now, because the last thing you want to do is be stuck in a position, and we've seen tons of companies do this, where they don't really pay attention to their marketing. They're way too reliant on word of mouth. And then when a downturn hits, like post-COVID or during COVID, depending on what type of business you're in, and business slumps, they're like, oh shit, like we haven't figured our marketing out. We can't get more customers. We have to lay our staff off or very likely go out of business. And so what you really want to be doing is just working on this continuously. You don't want to be too reliant on that word of mouth. So, I hope this gives you the incentive and motivation to continually work on your marketing. And I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone else you think might benefit from it.